Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable push notifications on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down here. You come here to push notifications. So clicking this sign here or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's my push notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.